Hi friends, my name is Rohan Bharat. Today's video, President of India made net profit of 12 lakh crores from PSUs. In stock markets, based on majority ownership, we can classify companies into two categories. A. Privately owned companies. B. Public sector companies. Privately owned companies are companies which have majority shareholding by promoters or FIs, DIs and retail shareholders. The ownership by the government is nil or minor. Example, Infosys, Asian Paints, TCS, etc. Company B are public sector companies which have majority shareholding by the government and minor shareholding by FIs, DIs and retail investors. The government is usually the promoter of this company. Examples are plenty: BHEL, IOC, HAL, BPCL, etc. In the case of public sector companies or public sector units, PSUs they are called, the shareholding of the government is held in the name of the President of India, since President is the head of the country as per the Constitution. In PSUs, the government is in business but also has to be goods and service provider, and hence many times the profit angle is sacrificed. In the last 2 to 3 years, due to the Make in India initiative of the government, more and more business is given to Indian companies rather than take the products of foreign companies. Especially with respect to defense equipment, the government of India has been aiming to give 70 to 80% of the business to companies in India itself. This is the reason that stocks of PSU defense companies like BEL, HAL, Mazagon Docks, Cochin Shipyard, BEML have been doing very well. This has not only helped the government receive huge dividends from PSUs but also very good capital appreciation on the shareholding. When the market cap of PSU stocks goes up, it also helps the government to sell a stake in some of these companies at high valuation. Such sale proceeds can be used by the government for various development and welfare activities. As per news reports, the market cap of PSUs has increased from 23 lakh crores to 43 lakh crores in 4 years. So the increase in market cap is around 20 lakh crores. Assuming that on an average, President of India or government stake in PSUs is 50 to 60%, the capital appreciation for the government in last 4 years is 20 lakh crores into 60% is approximately 12 lakh crores. In fact, in the last 2 days, when the market has rallied a lot, the government stake in PSUs would have gone much higher and maybe it would have increased by 15,000 crores or more. In the years to come, government is likely to reduce its stake in various PSUs to raise money as well as to satisfy the SEBI rules of minimum 25% public shareholding. As per SEBI, no listed company can have public shareholding of less than 25%. So whatever stake the promoter has, at least 25% must be non-promoter holding. That's the time it is satisfying all the SEBI rules.
Now, here is an announcement regarding our free webinar. Topic: Secrets of Stock Market. The webinar is happening on Sunday, 3rd December morning, 10:30 a.m. to 12:45 p.m. Cost of the webinar is 499. However, the good news is for the first 75 participants, it's absolutely free. Limited seats, and the seats are limited to the first 150 people on first come first serve basis. And when Dr. Bharath webinars are going on, normally the applicants will be in the range of 300 to 500. So better to come early than feel sorry. What are you going to learn in the webinar? Normally people feel stock market investment are not profitable. It is always under loss. If you can understand that you go long term and short term looking at the graphs, you are going to make a lot of money. In this webinar, we are going to show you the past profits, and then you'll also be able to guess what could be the future profits in the stocks that we mentioned. Then basic fundamental analysis, by learning which you will be able to invest for 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 years depending on your age and investment capacity, and the investment can be as low as 3, 5, 10, 15,000, and then at the end you can amass and make a huge profit of 1 crore or more than that, and then that can be used for children education, marriage and retirement corpus, and probably retirement home. Basic technical analysis, by learning the graph, you will be able to earn few thousands extra in a month to offset your expenditure, and also you can improve your lifestyle by buying a new mobile this month, maybe buying the clothes for the whole family next month, and probably going on a picnic the third month, etc. And this will be extremely useful. Whoever took the webinar of Dr. Bharath Chandra feel miserable that they should have taken the webinar long back and started to invest long back, and also should have taken Dr. Bharath Chandra's 3 months Kannada stock market workshop also long back. Now, how to register is very simple. Send an email to successdigest@gmail.com with your name and mobile number and the subject Kannada webinar. Normally speaking, we could have given the link directly to you, but in order to gauge and understand the level of interest from your side, we are giving you the trouble of sending an email and to check how much deeply you are interested in attending the webinar.
Historically, most PSUs have not created long-term wealth for shareholders, even though there have been spikes in the share price during certain periods. However, as of now, it looks like the last 2-3 years is an exception. We need to wait and see if the situation is different in the future when PSUs can also be considered as wealth creators for shareholders. Very interesting if that happens. Even if we are not shareholders of PSUs, we must be happy when PSU shares appreciate, since they are one of the sources of funds for government's development and welfare activities, from which we benefit directly or indirectly, and the entire country moves ahead because of these development activities. So either way, we benefit from the PSU appreciation. If you like this video, please click the like button and mention in the comment section, do you hold any PSU stocks? If yes, then type some names of the companies you hold. Otherwise, type no in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you and bye-bye.